GR IAS Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to GR IAS Academy. Today we are on day 14 of Mission Surya Programme. It is a 100-day prelims marathon program in which we will be covering 100 important themes from current affairs for prelims 2026. So let's see the first topic for today. First topic is SSI Mantra. What is SSI Mantra? It's a robotic telesurgical instrument using which world's first cardiac telesurgery was conducted over a distance of more than 10,000 kilometers. So a remote surgery was conducted using this instrument. It's basically a robotic telesurgical instrument. If we see few features of this system, it is indigenously developed and it has 3D high definition visualization, which is helpful for depth perception, and also predictive analytics is integrated in it, which helps surgeons during the operations. The remote capabilities, that is the remote surgical capabilities, increases the health access. So that's all. Let's see the next topic. Next one is deepfakes. So United States has recently passed Take It Down Act to address the growing misuse of deepfake content. We all know deepfake refers to AI manipulated videos or images which appear genuine but are actually not. So this law mandates the social media platforms to remove the private images shared without permission if a victim reports them. It is basically to reduce the digital exploitation. So if we see, they are produced using generative adversarial network technology, and in this basically it involves manipulation of facial expressions, voice cloning and the synthetic speech generation. So that's all. Let's see the next topic. So next topic is 3I Atlas. Such term based topics are frequently asked in UPSC. There could be a question like, what does the term 3I Atlas refers to? It is an interstellar comet. It is found using Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile, which was the NASA founded one. So it is an active comet originating beyond the solar system. What is the reason why it is classified as an interstellar object? Because it exhibits an hyperbolic orbit. Unlike the objects in the solar system which exhibit the elliptical orbit, and also it does not follow a closed orbit around the sun. It enters and leaves the sun orbit, but it does not follow any fixed orbit. So it is important to understand the composition of the extrasolar material and also the other interstellar objects entering the solar system. It is named 3I because here I refer to interstellar, and 3 because it is the third comet discovered to be entering the solar system. So that's it, it's an interstellar comet. Let's see the next topic. So next topic is National Biofoundry Network. Government of India has introduced Bio E3 policy, a dedicated policy for the development of biotechnology in India. Marking the 1 year of introduction of Bio E3 policy, they have brought the National Biofoundry Network, under which 6 biofoundries were established all over India, majorly in Punjab, Delhi, Haryana and in the Mumbai belt. So what is a biofoundry? Biofoundry is nothing but an automated platform for the design and development of engineered organisms, in which genetically engineered organisms are developed or designed. So it's basically a factory for biological organisms. It integrates various genetic engineering tools like DNA synthesis, gene editing and high throughput biomanufacturing. So let's see a few more details about National Biofoundry Network. It aims to scale up the research innovations into a market ready technologies. So it basically boosts the production of genetically engineered products. That is why it is considered as a bio-enabler under the Bio E3 policy. So if we see the Bio E3 policy, here E3 refer to Economy, Environment and Employment. It's a dedicated biotechnology policy brought by Department of Biotechnology under the Ministry of Science and Tech. So that's all. 6 biofoundries were established across India. Let's see the next topic. Next topic is International Standards of Accounting and Reporting. So India has recently secured a seat in the expert group related to ISAR, that is the Accounting and Reporting Organization. So ISAR functions under United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, that is UNCTAD. It basically works to enhance the quality and transparency of financial and non-financial reporting of companies, both financial and non-financial reporting. So non-financial reporting majorly involves environmental, CSR and governance related activities. So it enhances the corporate transparency. Annual meetings of ISAR will be held at Geneva every year, and there are 34 member states in it currently. So that's all. Let's see the next topic. So 100th birth anniversary of Professor M.S. Swaminathan. We all know M.S. Swaminathan is the father of Green Revolution in India. He boosted the food production through scientific plant breeding technique, and also he collaborated with Norman Borlaug to introduce the high yield wheat varieties. He also introduced semi-dwarf wheat and high yielding rice varieties. So if we see other contributions of Professor M.S. Swaminathan, he developed Pusa Basmati 1, which is the world's first semi-dwarf basmati rice, and he also proposed Evergreen Revolution along with the Green Revolution. So here Evergreen Revolution referred to increasing the productivity without harming the ecology. So it's about taking care of the ecology. And he also talked about ecological agriculture. That is, he focused on integrating the pests and nutritional management so that the usage of pesticides reduces. If we see few more details, he has served as the chairman of National Commission on Farmers. It is also called as M.S. Swaminathan Commission, and also he founded National Academy of Agricultural Sciences in 1990. He was given many awards for his significant contributions. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 2024 posthumously. So that's all. Let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is India Skills Accelerator Initiative. It is brought by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship along with the World Economic Forum. So it's basically the public-private collaboration platform in order to improve the skill sets of the youth in the country. It also focuses on aligning the skilling and training with the industrial requirements. It basically focuses on different sectors like AI, robotics, advanced manufacturing and emerging technologies related to sustainable energies. So it is basically a part of World Economic Forum's Reskilling Revolution. Remember, it is brought by ministry along with WEF. So that's all about this topic. Let's see the next one. Global Capability Centers. So global capability centers are nothing but the offshore units set up by the multinational companies in order to serve their parent firms. So here they are also called as global in-house centers or the captive centers. It is involved in diverse functions ranging from IT, R&D to customer support and business operations. So they are basically not the third vendor related organizations, they are the internal organization of the multinational companies. So let's see few more details. Actually, half of the world's global capability centers are present in India. Why is India the preferable location for GCCs? That is because we have skilled English speaking workforce and there is strong policy and digital ecosystem in the country and also the large domestic market. All these things have attracted many GCCs into India. If we see, India hosts around 1800 GCCs, which accounts for 50% of the total global GCCs, employing 2 million people. And if we see the growth, there is almost 11% of compounded annual growth since last 5 years. So that is all. Let's see the next topic. So the next topic is 10 years for Digital India Mission. Digital India Mission is implemented by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It is basically an umbrella initiative covering e-governance, digital infrastructure and digital service delivery. It aims to make India into a digitally empowered society based on a knowledge-based economy. So it's been 10 years since the introduction of Digital India. These are the 9 pillars of Digital India. They are majorly related to providing the internet services, increasing the access to phones, increasing the jobs in IT, and also bringing in IT in the governance, that is e-governance. So we have achieved many of these, and it is basically a public-private participation related platform. If you see few more achievements under Digital India, India presently ranks under the top digital economies globally. So it leads the real-time digital payments in the world. So we have highest number of real-time digital payments all over the world. And it has supported the financial inclusion goal of government through the DBT and digital banking. So we have Bhashini platform, which is based on the Digital India mission. So it is an AI multilingual platform which supports the multilingual digital governance. And Digital India has also enabled the integration of various platforms with the IT. So that's all for today. For detailed notes regarding these topics, please visit our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Links are provided in the description. And also, for more updates regarding Mission Surya program, please subscribe to GR IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.